This is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Listen up. This is the video and tutorial that you guys have placed in the comments for the past couple of months here, and people are asking me, Wes, how to earn money with the Genie Script. The Genie Script is a course that I created a year ago to teach people, brand new people like you, how to manifest their dreams. As a matter of fact, this is exactly what I've used to manifest every car, home, money, like everything in my life. I've used this, right? So I put it in a course, and over 100,000 people have bought it. But listen, many of you are asking me, well, Wesley, how can I make money from it? And guess what? You can. In this video, I'm gonna show you the simplest, easiest way to make your first $1,000 this week, this month, whenever you take action with me, to make a ton of money promoting this. Now listen, and let me show you proof here that people who are brand new and in the last 60 days are already making money. See these people here, this guy, these people here are the affiliates. I have over 1,100 people, brand new people from around the world who are making money promoting my product. And I'm gonna give you the exact strategy that I give every affiliate that starts with me, that I mentor personally. I'm going to show you what they're doing behind the scenes without basic spending a dime here. First step is this. I want you to go to digitalstore24.com. Now listen, pay close attention, okay? This is the tutorial. So don't skip through the video. That's stupid, because you're going to miss out on very important information here. Just take your time, take a deep breath, and follow everything that I'm going to show you. I'm going to go step by step to show you how you're going to rack in. I'm going to show you how to get the traffic, like everything, to start making sales, promoting my offer online, which is currently, if you go to the marketplace, look, it is currently number 3 in the world on this platform. All that means is this. It doesn't mean that I'm fascinating or I'm a great guy. All that means is brand new people are making money with the product. The popularity is almost 5-star. It's because new people like you are making money with the product. So what you want to do here is go to register now and get yourself a brand new account here, okay? Now listen, if you're outside of any of these countries listed, all you need to do is get yourself a VPN, okay? I know some of my buddies and my guys from Africa. I feel you. I understand, right? All you need to do is get a VPN or get somebody in another country to give you a login, and get a login right now. So put your username, email address, password here, your time zone, and once you're finished, now what you want to do is log in. So I'm gonna log into one of my many accounts here. Give me a second here. I'm gonna log into this account here, and this is the next step. Step 2. Stay with me here. Go to Marketplace. Go to All Offers on Digistore. You want to scroll down, and you're going to stop at the Genie Script. This is very important here. Now listen, if you want to get paid, this is what you need to do. You need to copy this link here. You see this link here? You need to copy this link. And listen, as you watch this video here, towards the end, I'm going to make it so simple for you that you're going to want to give me a hug and a kiss, because you're going to see money in your account as soon as in 72 hours. Some of you tonight, because you're going to do this right now. You want to copy this, okay? Then the question is this, Wesley, what do I do with this, right? What do I do with that link? Because I need traffic, obviously, if I'm going to make all this money. Right now, people are making $46 per sale. My goal for you is to do 3 sales a day. That's $200. 4 sales a day. That's $200 pretty much every single day, which is $6,000 a month. Now watch this. Even though I promise only 1,000, but you can make 6,000, 10,000. It's up to you. This is what you want to do. Go to Google Docs, okay? And you may be thinking, well, Wesley, you said done for you. Yeah, because I've did it for you. What you're looking at is a document that I created for my affiliates, people who have been rocking with me for years. This is how I made all my money. Me, I don't spend a lot of time on the computer, only when I'm making videos for you. But I have over 10,000 affiliates around the world who promote my products here. So I'm going to give you access to this. Wesley, what is this? Listen, this is a PDF that I've already created. Listen, as a matter of fact, in the description below, I have a link to it that all you need to do is give this away. And listen, I'm going to tell you exactly how to give it away so you'll make money. But listen, I need to teach you how to structure this to make sure that you get paid, okay? So listen, this article is called The 3 Science-Backed Ways to Manifest Something Overnight, okay? That's it. It's a picture of me with my first Lambo when I bought it cash at the dealership in Lamborghini, Houston. So what we're doing here, we're just giving people value first. Listen, you can't make money online unless you give value first. Tattoo that in the back of your brain. You can't approach people and say, hey, buy my stuff. Here's my link. That's stupid. You'll be broke and average for the rest of your life. And I don't want that for you, sunshine. Okay, big head? Listen, so I've already did the work for you. I've already created the article for you. This is all what you need to do. You need to take this link here. Now listen, this is the most important part of this video. If you mess this up, you will make $0 in your digital store account, okay? You see this link? This link links to a webinar, a video that I did personally that we're currently doing over 6 figures per month on autopilot with. I'm giving it to you. All you need to do is copy this link and change the portion right here. You see where it says your affiliate ID goes here? If you remember, stay with me here. If you remember right here, when you log into your digital store account, look up top here. This is your digital store ID, which means is you need to update this. So let's say that your digital store ID is big head, because I'm pretty sure you got a big head. Smash the like button if you got a big old head. I got a peanut head. It's all good, right? Listen, put big head or whatever your digital store ID is, okay? Put it here. So this is what happens when people click in this article, because I'm going to show you how to link it properly so you can start making money immediately here, okay? So if we go back, if I copy and paste that link, it's going to take them to a page like this. I'm going to do the work for you, okay? This video right now is the reason why my product is number 3 in the world, and I have newbies, I have women, and they're making a ton of money. But now it's time for you to make the money as well. You see that young lady right there with the pink hair? At the age of 29, I helped her become a millionaire in less than 1 year, and I'm going to do it for you as well. So listen, this is important here. When you see everything that you see here, like this picture here, we're going to link this, okay? Does that make sense? We're going to click on it from the Google Docs link that I put below for you. You're going to download it to your computer here, and you're going to link it. See that? Link. We're going to link all the pictures here, okay? We're going to link this down here, okay? See what I'm doing here? Because listen, when people download this, and they will, and I'm sure you how easy to get this disseminated around the world to thousands of people, they're going to read it, and they're going to want to know what is this special affirmation they can listen to while they're asleep. So when they get to the bottom of here, look at this, and as a matter of fact, here's the exact sound you can listen to right now to manifest anything that you want. People are going to click there. All of you, everybody will click there. Then it's going to go to what? The affiliate page, which is this. Right? It's automatic. I've done all the work for you, okay? In the description below, the document is right there. But listen, it's important for you to link it properly here, okay? So once you link everything, even this right here, you want to mouse over that, okay? You want to link it. Because when people are reading a book or ebook or article, you want to give them more information here. So people are going to say, oh, click here to discover the little known manifestation hack you can use to manifest your dreams faster than ever. They're going to click there, right? Why? Because you gave them value. So you want to delete this once it's done. You want to check everything, make sure all your links are working properly here. Okay? Then you go to File, and you go to Download, and you go to PDF document. You download that document to your computer. Does that make sense? You click here, and it's going to download to your computer. See? Boom, boom, boom. See, it just downloaded to my computer here. It's a PDF, which means is now I have a PDF that I'm going to give thousands of people that Wesley Virgin is going to show me right now. Listen, hey, this video is sponsored by Wesley, $1 billion Virgin. Let's go. In the description below, I'll also teach people how to create products online. Anybody can do it. If a black young kid from the south side of Houston can do it, listen, you can do it too. The link is below. All right, back to the video. I'm back. Listen, this is the last step because I know what you're thinking. Wes, what do I do with the document now? What do I do with this document that you just did for me? You did it for me as promised. I put my links on all the beautiful pictures that you have on your actual ebook here. This is what you want to do. Go to facebook.com. Go there right now, okay? Facebook.com. Type in the word manifestation here, okay? And no, you're not going to post your affiliate link here. You're going to get banned. Facebook is going to hate you if you do that. You got to be smarter than Facebook here, okay? So what you want to do is join every manifestation group right now. As you can see, I've already joined these groups. Why? Because I do it. My team does it. My affiliates does it. So why not you? Because we all make money and you're going to make money as well. Okay. You see here, 30,000 people are interested in how to manifest. So what we want to do, we want to get in front of these 30,000 people. Listen, even if only 100 people bought the Genius Group and downloaded your book, right, that you're about to share with these folks, that's over $4,000. How much work is that? I'm in my bed right now, laying down butt naked, doing this video for you. You should be doing the same thing, right? Lock in and do the work. So this is what you're going to do. Okay. See, they said no promotions, no ma'am. But great, we're not going to promote. Listen, this is what you do. I'm new. I am new. Great to be here. Does anyone have any issues manifesting things like cars, homes, and money? That's it. That's what you're going to post, right? You're not going to tell them to click your link. You're going to ask them a question here. You could take this. So the thing is, your first post is just to build rapport, right? You want to build a relationship. Comment below. You got to build a relationship with the girl before you take her home and sex her down. Does that make sense? This is how you build a relationship with customers, just like you build relationships with human beings, okay? So you said, hey, I'm new. Great to be here. Does anyone have any issues manifesting things like cars, homes, and money? Comment, I do. So look, a ton of people are going to comment, I do. You see that? I do. Then what you do is this. You reach out to them personally. You don't post your ebook here. You don't comment under their comment, under your post on Facebook. You comment them directly and say, hey man, hey, I got a book for you. It's free. I used to have the same problem. Check it out. It's free. It's the ebook that shows you basically the 3 science-backed ways to manifest something overnight. And listen, people are going to download your book like crazy, okay? You reach out to them personally over and over and over and over again. And what I like to do is I like to see what other people do. And basically, I just model them. See this? August smells like money, healing, no more toxic bullshit, whatever. Affirm yes. So people are like, yes. So these are people who are engaging on the content. These are people that you build a relationship with on Facebook. Listen, if you get 4 sales a day, that's $200. It'll take you less than an hour to get 4 people to download that book. They're going to click that link. They're going to watch the webinar and they're going to buy the product. Okay? And then you'll be making the money just like these folks here. Okay? Does that make sense? Now listen, if you ever say, well, Wesley, that's a lot of work. You know, I got to reach out to all these people. Is there a better way that I can get other people to do it for me? Absolutely. Go to this site right here, Fiverr.com. You hire a kid for $5. You tell him to watch this video to do exactly what I just shared with you, okay? I do prefer you to do it yourself first, but look, if you're just super lazy, and I know some of you are, and it's all good, smash the like button if you're super lazy. It's all good. Show me some love, right? God is looking at you. Look, you find somebody for $10, $5, somebody super cheap, to basically do it for you, okay? They will do that for you. So they will log into your account and they will reply to all these people with the canned message that you gave them, and they're going to give them the ebook over and over again. And your goal is to get them to make you $200 to $300 a day or $1,000 a day. It's up to you. Hey, this is Wesley, Billion Dollar Virgin. Again, if I gave you any value right now, smash the like button. I will continue to make videos on how to make money online. But listen, that is how you earn money with the Genius Script all day, every day. This is Wesley, Billion Dollar Virgin. Let's go. Later, folks.